Automobili Lamborghini unveils the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ in a worldwide premiere during Monterey Car Week in California at the Quail, a Motorsports Gathering. The distillation of extraordinary design, groundbreaking technologies and the ultimate in handling, performance and driver enjoyment. The Aventador SVJ creates pure driving perfection, taking the concept of a super sports car to a new dimension. The new Aventador SVJ, where SV historically stands for Superveloce, meaning superfast, takes the Jota suffix, denoting its track and performance superiority. The Aventador SVJ has already claimed its position as the Nürburgring-Nordschleife production car record holder, completing the 20.6-kilometer lap in just 6 minutes 44.97 seconds. Production is limited to 900 units. A special edition, named SVJ63, is exclusively unveiled on the concept lawn at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. It pays homage to Lamborghini's founding year of 1963, produced in a unique configuration. It demonstrates the rich use of carbon fiber and is made in an additional limited number of just 63. The Aventador SVJ is an innovative car and represents the absolute pinnacle of our super sports car product range, said Automobili Lamborghini Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, Stefano Domenicali. The challenge to Lamborghini designers and engineers was to improve the purest essence of the Lamborghini super sports car,